The latest wildfires ravaging. Massive wildfire turning day to night.
We left with nothing. I mean, just literally with nothing.
There are embers blowing under my car.
The town hospital evacuated.
We've got 4 trapped in the basement. 4 people trapped in the basement. The hospital surrounded by fire.
There are more than 1,200 skilled nursing facilities of various sizes in the state of California. These are temporary residences for patients undergoing medically necessary rehabilitation after illness, injury, or surgery. Maintaining power for this population is critical as patients rely on it for everything, including meals, care, and medications. Without power, critical systems can't operate.
BSD Builders is a general contractor specializing in healthcare. After several of our skilled nursing clients were impacted by the California wildfires, we were asked to come up with a solution so the facilities could stay open in a power outage. Originally, we were looking at a solution for supplemental power because there were no requirements for special seismic certification. This was to protect lives of their vulnerable residents and prevent unnecessary evacuation. Some of the facilities were nowhere near the fire, but the grid was shut down and they had to evacuate. The idea was to give them additional electrical capacity in the event of a power outage. We also wanted to help lower their utility costs by controlling electrical peaks and spikes, and in a power outage, it would run independent of the grid. While our team of engineers and innovators were working tirelessly to develop a solution, California Governor Gavin Newsom signed AB 2511 into law on September 29, 2022. This bill was introduced and required skilled nursing facilities to have emergency backup power to protect their residents' health and safety for no fewer than 96 hours during any type of power outage. When the new law was introduced, OSHPD came out with a public information notice known as PIN 74 and identified acceptable paths forward to meet these new requirements.
From a healthcare facilities perspective, there are 3 main areas of concern. Reliability, a solution that ensures reliable utility during outages, keeping costs down in the short and in the long term, and minimizing impact to the facility and meeting the new requirements of AB 2511. There are a few facilities that have emergency power systems that are large enough to handle the additional loads required by adding the HVAC and other critical life safety components and have enough fuel capacity on site for 96 hours of backup power. We found that the majority of the facilities in California do not have that. One option would be to upgrade the emergency generator system to handle the additional load requirements and fuel storage. This could be accomplished by adding an additional generator or replacing the existing generator with a larger one. The challenge with this option is that for most of the older facilities, this solution would drive up cost. They would have to rewire the entire facility to relocate their mechanical system loads to the new or additional generator system. The other thing we found is that most of the existing switchgear is at end of life and out of compliance and would need to be replaced. Also, in this case, there is no return on investment, so the facility bears all cost. The option which we felt is the most beneficial to the client base is a new microgrid solution, including cogeneration, which combines heat recovery and power generation. Unlike the prior solution, this option provides reliable on-site power at a reduced cost with a return on investment.
A microgrid power solution is a self-contained electrical system that can operate independently from the main power grid. Microgrids can provide reliable and efficient source of power, especially during unexpected power outages or natural disasters. They can also help improve the stability of the regional electric grid and reduce your carbon footprint. The BSD Microgrid was designed for continuous parallel operation with the utility. However, in the event of a power outage, it will operate in island mode or standalone. The microgrid can be fueled by hydrogen, natural gas, compressed natural gas, LNG, biogas, RNG, propane, and even syngas. The BSD SSC units will also include thermal energy recovery, which provides for hot water or chilled water for your facility.
This solution offers long-term benefits by lowering the utility cost of gas and electricity. It also reduces carbon emissions and has the potential to qualify for up to 50% reimbursement under the Inflation Reduction Act. The BSD SSC microgrid solution has been shake table tested to meet California's special seismic certification. Are we ready? It is now an option for skilled nursing facilities, hospitals, and any other industry looking to have consistent, reliable power while reducing electrical costs. We believe that the BSD Microgrid System has virtually unlimited applications, including pharmaceutical labs, data and distribution centers, research facilities, cold storage units, basically any facility that needs cooling and reliable power. At BSD Builders, we believe in more than just constructing buildings. We are passionate about creating solutions that make a difference in people's lives. We are thrilled to provide this solution for healthcare facilities, including skilled nursing and hospital clients. We look forward to helping businesses and communities everywhere stay powered when it matters most.